Lately, have you noticed yourself scrolling more yet feeling less connected? You might think it's just stress or a busy life. But what if it's loneliness? And what if you could feel lonely even when you're surrounded by people? Here in Kampong, Glam, a place where people from different cultures and communities have come together for generations, we are reminded that our well-being doesn't grow in isolation. It goes through meaningful human connection. I am Ranjani, a certified yoga therapist from Aathmik Yoga. If you have been feeling disconnected lately, this practice is for you. Let's begin. Before we reconnect with other people, let's first reconnect with our own body. Stand comfortably in Tadasana. Take a few slow, deep breaths and ground yourself. Simply notice how you are feeling today. Now spread your legs comfortably apart and gently swing your arms from side to side. This is called zero resistance yoga. Allow the body to move freely without forcing the movement. Keep breathing naturally. Release. Now, the right foot is turned towards the right side and the left foot is slightly inclined towards your body. Now, as you inhale, extend your right arm and reach comfortably overhead only as far as your body allows. And keep your left hand behind your waist. Try to look up, a slight arching here. Hold it for few seconds and slowly exhale. Turn your foot alignment and turn towards the opposite side. Move slowly with your breath. Inhale as you open and exhale as you return. Notice if you have been holding tension around your neck and shoulders. With every gentle movement, allow it to soften. Slowly drop your hands and move your shoulder blades up and down, releasing any tension in your neck muscles. And now gently hold your right wrist with your left hand and try to take it up above your head. To gently lean towards your left, like pulling your right arm and your right side of the body towards the left side. Hold comfortably. Take a couple of slow breaths here. Slowly release. Swing your arms to the front and back and repeat on the opposite side. Lengthen your spine and gently lean towards the side. You can also raise on your toes if you wish to intensify the posture. Stretch and release and swing your arms. Let's do this for one more round. Move with your breath. Notice how your body feels. Well, do not round forward. Look straight with a gentle smile on your face. Simply notice whatever you are feeling, your emotions without judgment. And for the next one, stand comfortably with your legs hip-width distance apart. Lift your arms and spread your fingers wide and try to point them upwards. Now slowly lift them up above your head like you're holding something with your hand. Try to give pressure on your palms and try to lift on your toes. If lifting on your toes is difficult today, simply keep both feet on the floor and continue the stretch. And slowly release and shake your arms. Stand comfortably with your legs wide apart. Turn your right foot completely towards the right. Turn your left foot slightly inward. Keep your hips facing the front. Place your right hand on your waist. As you inhale, lengthen through your spine, and as you exhale, gently lean towards the right. Bend your left elbow and place your left hand gently behind your head. Feel a gentle stretch along the left side of your body. Hold here for 2 slow breaths. As you inhale, slowly return to the center. And let's do it on the opposite side. Move only as far as your body feels comfortable. Keep your chest open and continue breathing naturally. Notice if one side feels tighter than the other. There's no need to compare. Simply move within your comfortable range. Keep breathing slowly and allow the stretch to soften with every exhalation. Also move your shoulders up and down. And let's finally end this with a self-hug. So spread your arms wide, take one long deep inhalation and exhale as you hug yourself. Feel the warmth of your own embrace. There's nothing you need to fix in this moment. Simply allow yourself to pause. Keep breathing naturally. Stay here for 2 slow breaths. Sometimes the kindness we seek from others begins with the kindness we offer ourselves. And when you're ready, gently release. End your practice with a gentle smile on your face. Today, we often spend hours connecting through our phones and forget to truly connect with the people around us, and sometimes even with ourselves. Here in Kampong, Glam, where different cultures and communities have come together for generations, we are reminded that well-being isn't built in isolation. It grows through kindness, meaningful conversations, and a sense of belonging. If someone came to your mind while watching this practice, don't just think about them. Reach out to them or send them this video. It might be the gentle reminder they need today that they are not alone. If you found this practice helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Aathmik Yoga. And if stress or overthinking has been affecting you lately, I have linked another calming practice here that you may find helpful. Until next time, take care of yourself and take time to reconnect with someone who matters to you. Thank you so much for staying till the end. Nandri, Vanakkam.